Okay, so we are live now. Hi guys, how are you? So basically, I am creating this video to tell you guys about the purpose of using these sensitive scopes. So I'm going to show you my Google Classroom. So basically, we have an organization that teaches physics to students, and we enroll them through multiple platforms, social platforms. Students enroll in. We This is basically our local database, which we also have in Airtable as well because that is our main CRM. But this is the crux of the database. So we have the data of students that needs to be enrolled in these classes, and when a class is, for example, finished for this year, we want to remove this class, and we would like to automate all this process of which student is joining which class and whether that student is supposed to be joining that class or not. So basically, let me get back to those scopes. Also, another thing I want to mention here is uh, this was previously configured on my personal account, but now I am going to move this on a workspace account and publish this app live with all these sensitive scopes that I'll be using within my make.com scenarios in order to automate all of this, so I don't have to deal with all of this hassle. So what these scopes are doing are, all of these scopes are related to Google Classroom, and what I need, the first scope, for example, edit, create, and permanently delete your Google Classroom classes. So when a class time is over, for example, I want to delete classes after every 6 months. Basically, what will happen is a student will enroll in a physics class for about 6 months or a year. That class could be online or offline. And after a student is graduated from that class, I would like to delete that class and create a new class. So I would need to automate this. So I would be needing this scope in for using my Google Classroom API. The second scope that we have mentioned here is manage your Google Classroom class roster. So yeah, I would definitely like to know which student joins or leaves a class. For example, if a student leaves a class, I would like to get all the information, the grades, the submissions against that student through an automation, and have it stored in my drive that I could later on share with that student. So yes, I would need it for multiple purposes. So that scope is for that reason. For this, see and updates its own attachments. So yeah, we need this scope for getting students grades in every classroom. The similar for this classroom.add-ons teacher. For the view and manage guardians for students in Yoga Classroom, this scope is needed for letting the guardians of the students know if they are submitting their assignments on time or not, or if they are missing classes or not, or if they are attending classes on time. So all those information needs to be sent to these guardians through automation. So we will be needing this as well. The emails we definitely need to compare with our local DB, so the right students have joined the right classes. So emails are very necessary part of this whole sensitive scopes. As I've shown you that we do have student information including their emails, and these emails needs to be enrolled in those classes. For example, if I hide this, so yeah, for all these different classes, the specific student needs to be in these specific classes in the Google Classroom. So yeah, that's there. And for the profile photos, we will need those to filter out any no nudity or unsensitive photo. We need to filter those out before those students join our classroom. And regarding the PubSub, we need this permission as we are uh, getting live feed from PubSub messages against student roster changes and Google Classroom changes, course changes. We are getting those messages in pubs and we are publishing those messages to our webhooks in Make. So yes, I'll be needing this in case I need to make any changes to automation to our topics and subscriptions in Google Cloud PubSub. So yes, I hope this explains all of what I am looking forward to do with these sensitive scopes. Yeah, thank you guys.